that the economic engagement that we have had historically, while relatively satisfactory, there's so much more for us to unlock, more economic potential for us to unlock between Pakistan and Hungary. We had fantastic bilateral consultations today from both sides where we explored various opportunities. The private sector of Hungary is already ahead of the curve. As the Foreign Minister mentioned, MOL has been investing in energy in Pakistan for quite some time, the second largest in gas, the second largest in oil, fifth largest in gas, but also your agricultural private sector have already started to invest in Pakistan, and now with the support of the government here in Hungary, the support of federal government and provincial governments in Pakistan, we hope to open the door to for economic activity, economic opportunity for the businessmen and businesswomen in Hungary, and also for economic opportunity for the businessmen in Pakistan. So once again, I'm incredibly grateful to your Foreign Minister. I look forward to working together with him to take our bilateral relationship to new heights.
स्टार न्यूज, जियो पाकिस्तान के लिए।